guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome guys to our kitchen. As you can tell, Erica is 1,000 times taller than me. And
even though I'm so short.
Even though I'm older than her. But yeah, she's still considered short.
Yeah, because I'm only 5'2", 3".
And I'm 4'11".
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? So, we are in a different setting.
Because we have a food video for you guys.
Yes, we do. We are gonna be filming TikTok recipes or like TikTok viral recipes. So we want to try it.
So let's see how it goes.
Yes.
Hopefully it's good.
I know. Honestly, we picked good recipes because I did not want to be disappointed. So hopefully I'm not disappointed with any of them, okay?
Let's test it out though.
Yes.
So guys, the reason why we're gonna do this one first is because it requires freezing. But this is the problemo.
She got gummy Jolly Rangers.
Yes, I got gummy Jolly Rangers because they only had the red in hard candy and they didn't have the other ones. So I was not gonna put red candy on grapes, even though I just saw a TikTok that put red on the green. But I thought it was gonna be better for green on green or blue on green, but they didn't have it. So I decided to do gummies. Let's see how it even goes.
I don't think it's gonna melt. I don't think it's gonna
It is gonna melt. I saw some TikTok videos of melting gummies.
Okay, we're gonna try it.
The gummy version really kills this candy. We did 5 gummies.
Yeah, we did 5 gummies. Let's see. It's probably gonna be good for like 2 grapes.
Oh my god, don't get the gummies. This is trash.
The flavor is there, but
The aftertaste.
the aftertaste is a little bit weird and just throws it off.
It's smoking. It smells like melted sugar. What if it's burnt?
We're gonna find out.
It's burnt.
Whipple came out, guys.
Burnt. Don't try it? Oh no. My toothpick doesn't even stick to the grape. I think we're gonna skip this one.
It turned hard already.
Fail on our part, obviously, because it wasn't a great start to begin with. Bro, once it touches cold air, hard. Next one. BRB.
Okay guys, so the second TikTok viral food that we're gonna be trying is ice cream with fruit roll-up. This went viral like crazy on TikTok and people are raving about this. They say after the ice cream hits the fruit roll-up gets hard, and once you bite in it, it's like a little crunchy deliciousness. We're gonna try it. So we got the vanilla ice cream because you cannot never go wrong with vanilla.
And I just got, you know, this one, the tie-dye one. Now that I was looking back to the TikToks too, I saw that they also do like one with mango and chamoy and tahini. But we don't have mango, so we're not gonna do that. So let's do this one.
Honestly, most excited about this one. Can't wait to try it.
I'm excited too.
Yes.
Cut it
Wait.
in pieces.
Did we get the wrong one?
They don't have a lot of options over there anyways. This is what we got going on right now.
Yeah, I don't know. I think people use different type of fruit roll-up because I didn't see them as thin.
This Walmart was very limited on their options. I also didn't want to buy a huge box of fucking fruit roll-ups because we don't eat candy. So I didn't see a point. And this was the only one that had like a small box. That's why I took it.
We're gonna work with what we got. Now we're gonna get the fun part.
We're
gonna get this layer. This.
It's a lot, bitch.
White, something delicious that looks crazy, amazing. We have to make it look like it's awful.
Some people freeze it, some people don't. I don't know, because some, I've seen some that freeze it, some that don't. I guess the ice cream also freezes it. Oh, ASMR.
Look at it.
Take a bite. Oh, not good enough?
Not good enough.
You see? Not how it's supposed to be yet. You're performing ASMR now? We gotta freeze it. That shit cold as fuck! The ice cream is good. Give me a tinfoil thing. We're gonna freeze this because the ice cream is also melting.
I don't know, let's see. Okay guys, so this next recipe, it's not really a recipe, it's a peanut butter. It's called Nerdy Nuts. At one point I was seeing it a lot on TikTok and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks crazy amazing, so I need to try it. And I convinced Erica to get 3 of those. So we got 3 flavors.
Oh no.
3.
Hold on. I didn't know she was gonna get 3. She just got 3 and then she also got an accessory.
I got an accessory because the accessory is amazingly cute and I was dying for it. These are peanut butters. Basically customizes it and puts toppings inside of it, which is amazing. Look at this thing. The packaging is so freaking cute. This one is called coconut cream pie. This one is choco pebbles.
And this one is cookie cake.
And this is the accessory. Look at this freaking spoon, guys. So darn cute. This one is a small one. They also have a large one.
Let's start.
Let's start with the choco pebbles. Okay, guys. Choco pebbles has semi-sweet dark chocolate. Peanut butter is layered on marshmallow fluff topped with crunchy cocoa pebbles, cereals, pieces, and cookies. And cookies and cream dough bites. So we're gonna try it. I hate this. I hate that.
You have your color?
Yes. Where's my spoon?
That smells good.
Look, guys, this is how it is. The top, the choco pebbles. So now let's give it a little stir it.
Do you want to?
Yes.
Don't stir it too much.
So we can grab every single thing.
Yeah. Like bring the marshmallow thing to the top. I wish it came in layers just so that we don't have to mess up the whole thing.
But it's okay.
That's the art.
Oh my god, guys, the flavor is freaking intense.
The flavor?
The smell. Alright. Enough. Good again.
Or Sprite.
Is that peanut butter?
I barely taste the marshmallow fluff. But there is chocolate in there. I mean, because it's mostly chocolate right now. But, the crunch.
Delicious. And bread.
Oh
Or
my
just,
god.
if you just want to grab a spoonful just to have a little sweet in you, so good.
If you're the type of person that eats peanut butter from the jar, and it's a lot thinner than peanut butter, so it's not going to be that sticky though.
So we're gonna try the next flavor, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're going to try the coconut pie.
Cream pie.
Coconut cream pie. The texture looks a little bit more loose.
Gooey, dewy.
Yeah, more gooey.
American ground peanuts mixed with white chips and coconut shreds layered on pie chips. We swirl coconut infused marshmallow cream and top it with coconut flakes and white chips.
Interesting.
Let's say.
Look how it looks. It looks so pretty, so coconutty, so coconutty vibes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we switch up the camera because our camera gone.
Well, surprise, that always happens.
We're gonna mix this.
This looks so wrong. Like, it looks like it should not happen.
But it has to get mixed. How are you gonna get all the flavor?
By just sticking my spoon in.
No, you gotta mix it with everything. You gotta make sure you grab everything.
Mixed enough.
I'm gonna be full.
Oh!
Okay, now.
I just really want the coconut because, you know, I don't know about the cream pie. Ready?
Yes, pretty.
Cheers. I like this one. Very coconutty from the start. Then peanut butter, obviously, but very sweet. It's very fresh. What? Is there something wrong?
I don't know. It's good. It just tastes like peanut butter. I don't taste like coconut.
It's just subtle.
It has coconut shreds. Little shreddy thingies. It's good though.
I wish there could be it's not like a way that you can tell them add more coconut. I think they should just add more coconut. Like super coconut. The flavors that they claim that it has, they're just very subtle. And if it like hits you in the face, that would be magnificent.
Our next flavor is cookie cake with cream.
Wow, there's a whole cookie in there.
Hence the cookie cake.
No way.
This is the cookie cake peanut butter on here. It's an actual cookie right there.
Extravagant.
Extravaganza. Now we're gonna mix.
You don't have to. It's not much to mix. This is making me like nauseous. I'm not a super sweet person. Even in general, if you just eat too much sweet, you're about to get nauseous.
Yeah.
What is that white stuff? Is that all marshmallow or
Fluffy frosting.
Oh,
So I guess
frosting.
this is frosting.
I love frosting.
So
Can I get a cookie?
so that's on right here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What does it taste like to you?
So it's like frosting.
Really?
Oh, it's struggling.
It tastes like nothing to me. I I think the flavors cancel out. Let me see the frosting.
It's literally
That's what I taste because it doesn't have much of a taste.
it's literally a mixture of frosting with cookies and peanut butter.
Yeah. Yeah. But the frosting like it tones down the flavor a lot.
It really does. So I can bring the other flavors to life.
Yeah, which is the topping.
This one, out of all of them, it tastes the most of what it's supposed to be like.
Great company. I support this. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Just needs a little more. She's happy now. And she's happy with her little spoon that she got.
Hell yeah. Yeah, sponsor. I'm so full.
I know. Yeah, keep going. We got a few left. How much do we have?
Me too.
I'll make a little bit of it.
Obviously, I'm trying to make a lot.
I don't know. I don't know. Look at it.
No. Let's see. Don't put that.
I wish I should have won the picture.
Later on, I'm drinking my tea so I can feel better.
Good job. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
A little class. Anyways.
Okay. What are we doing next?
Okay. I've seen it on TikTok and I've seen it on Instagram Lives. You take a Cool Whip, you take like a spoonful of it or however much you want. You add like, sorry.
Oh my god, what is this burp?
You add this Jello cheesecake thingy-majingy on top. Mix it up. You add strawberries and like crushed up crackers. It could be like a little guilty-free cheesecake dessert.
I don't like cheesecake. So
I don't mind cheesecake. I know, yeah, supposedly like if you're on a diet and you cannot eat ice cream, Cool Whip is a really good option to go with. It's not high on calories, high on sugars or sodium.
literally.
I feel like I'm so little. See guys, this is the thing. When I'm too short, so I just ask taller people to get my stuff. Thank you. Okay, now.
Oh my god. That sugar is crashing me. Wait, it's making me crash. I'm just gonna find my phone right now.
You're falling. Now we get a little Jello cheesecake mix. You don't have to put all of it, guys. Just a little sprinkle, a little dot. Okay, you're supposed to mix. Okay, now we're gonna add our strawberry, some crackers. This one's so good.
Nice. How the oil is from your hands. Nice.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna just leave it like that. It's gonna be really cute. Okay, it's supposed to be look like this. Obviously, you can add however toppings you want, but right now we're just doing a little bit. Cheers.
That's good.
Yeah, because I didn't put a lot of the cheesecake mix because I didn't want to overdo it.
But it makes sense of how it will always cheesecake and the consistency of cheesecake, almost like the really soft texture. And then just a little bit more graham crackers, and it will be.
I'll do this more often though. Like if I want ice cream and I just want something healthier, this.
It's a vibe.
Or refreshing.
It is.
Wow. Wow.
I recommend.
Wow.
We gotta get frozen stuff now. Oh, I forgot about this. I just remembered about this because I just saw it in the freezer. Let's see how it tastes. It's a lot crunchier now and easier to rip. The flavor of the roll-up.
It's one sentence.
It's not the best.
Not my vibe.
Not
The next TikTok recipe, the only two things you will need. Frozen berries and protein shake. So the girl recommended berries because they're small, so If you try to have like big fruits, it's not gonna work because you gotta smash it up. If not, just cut it up into pieces. On Instagram right now, I saw that Trader Joe's and Costco recalled frozen fruits. I was like, good thing we froze the home ones that we had already.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna get a glass cup because you just want to see the effect of everything happening. You don't have to, but you want to just to see the effects. So she says up to where she says to let it sit for a little bit, to like 5 minutes, to make sure. I'm gonna add a little bit more fruits. Might as well add all of it.
Oh my god.
Essentially, you're supposed to wait 5 minutes, I guess. 9:05, 9:10. I'm remembering certain parts of the lyrics. Don't kill me in the comments.
We'll see you.
Now we broke it down, and now see it's on the smoothie like texture. Also, we have visitors here. My son is here, and our sister is here. So, so my son is making himself known. Okay. So see, it's not really a thick texture. For me, I would want it to put it in the freezer so the texture could be better
And colder.
and colder. Yeah. Cheers.
The berries are good. Something good about the shake is that you don't taste. I mean,
The protein of it.
it's like not that thick protein type shit, but you do taste that what's on the bed?
Another treat, guys, that you guys could do. Do not feel guilty for breaking your diet.
That's true. And if you need to get your protein in,
So out of all the recipes we tried today, this one's the one that you like the most? Which one do you like the most?
just like the fruitiness of it, so I'll say this. I do like the Cool Whip one because it's like nice and it's like a sweet treat. What's your
Me?
least favorite?
Oh, my least favorite? Obviously the grapes.
Oh, that didn't even go anywhere.
Exactly, it didn't go anywhere. I don't like the ice cream with the fruit roll up. I don't get it. And my favorite will be between the Cool Whip and this one.
She's a copycatter.
I'm not a copycat. It's because it's actually healthy. Remember after we finished eating the peanut butter, so we felt exhausted, so full. Oh, with these, no, it's good.
You feel like that's why we eat healthy.
Yay! Round of applause. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, cooking with us, trying a recipe with us, comment down below, like this video.
Subscribe. We are about to hit 45K.
Yes.
Well, by the time that this goes out, we might have already hit 55.
Yes.
So help us get to 50K, please.
Yes, please. We're halfway to 100K, guys. Yay! So help us. Okay, so we hope you guys have a great night and enjoy the rest of your week.
Bye.
Bye.